Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Engineer Seyi Makinde has approved the launch of a mobile app to help residents have easy access to land information services without physical presence and the hassle of dealing with notorious land thugs known as Omo Onile. A statement by the Commissioner for Lands, Housing and Urban Development, Olusegun Olaiwola, said that the application, also known as the Ile-Dollar Exchange, under the Private Networks Nigeria Limited (PNN) initiative, would be the first of its kind in the country. Mr. Olaiwola said the app, to be launched on February 11, will avail residents of the state the opportunity of making inquiries and suggestions on government services and also get faster responses on all issues. The commissioner also said that the initiative was part of the government's strategic measure to increase its internally generated revenue (IGR). Also, the managing director, PNN, Abdurrahman Odunowo, was quoted as saying that the new innovation was to key into the emerging global market with a view to unlocking the full potential in technological advancement in all land-related matters. Through the use of Ile-Dollar Exchange, the ministry can now easily create an enabling environment for both local and international investors, validate ownership of properties, and ensure transfer of ownership, among others, he said. Other features of the app include easy detection and location of files and easy access to external users. It is hitherto encountered by residents in the purchase of title of ownership, transfer of ownership, and land allocation will soon be a thing of the past with the aid of the app, it said. That's good news. That's good news for everybody living in Oyo State.